we put it on last night, and we hooked it up to a scanner, and we try to make it relearn, but it said this must be programmed.
That is correct.
So now I'm looking for a mobile mechanic that programs vehicles.
I got you, mobile mechanic. Well, I tell you what I can do here for you is I have some recommendations. Now I can connect you with a mobile mechanic, and the service that we use, I don't know if they actually do any programming, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you their number. You can give them a call and see if they can come out and program it for you. But if for whatever reason they are not able to program it, I'm going to send you a couple more links that I have used on the internet that I would strongly recommend. And I think you can actually send your fuel pump control module out to them, and they can program it and then send it back to you. So I'll send both links to you, and once we're off the phone, I'll go ahead and get that information together. And if you just give me a few minutes, I'll send it over. And if you have any questions, just reply back online.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck.